Napkin AI is a new amazing AI tool and it is completely free right now, and by looking at its pricing page you can clearly see that it will become a paid tool in the future. So before that happens, you must definitely check it out. In this video, we will see how you can generate amazing infographics using this amazing AI tool. To use it, click on the first link in the description. Click here on Sign In. Enter your email ID and password and you can sign in. I already have an account so I can directly see this page. Click on Create My First Napkin. To generate the infographic, you can either enter the text or generate it using AI. I have already used ChatGPT to generate some data samples, so I will select the Enter Text option. I will copy the data and paste it here. To generate the infographic, click on this lightning-like symbol. The AI will analyze your data and give you an infographic. You can see we have a good-looking infographic here, but it does not really meet our needs. On the left, you can see there are many different styles available. You can go through all of them, view your data in different formats and choose the one that you like. This pie chart looks amazing, so we will keep it. We have even more variations of the pie chart as well. You can click on your infographic and change color, change background, and also download it in 3 different formats: PNG, SVG and PDF. You can see that we have downloaded our infographic and it looks amazing. Let us try it with some other format of data. Copy and paste your data and click on this lightning symbol. We can see that the first choice of this AI is not very great, but since we can choose any format for our infographic, this is not a major problem as they are really awesome. Even the font and colors look awesome. You can basically use these infographics in your videos or social media posts, and this AI tool really does amazing work. And the best thing is it is free and still under development, which means in the future, it will get even better and you can use it as much as you want right now. If you want to know about an amazing AI tool that allows you to write SEO optimized content, then check this video right here. If you liked his video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing AI related videos. Thanks for watching.